Now it's fucking crazy.
Oh my god.
The thing is all fucked up now on top.
Yeah, that's intense as fuck. Is it more intense than the other night?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, there we go. I'm doing color commentary for your video.
Fuck, man.
I don't know if that cover is making things worse or better. Because you know it could be like a parachute, right?
Yeah. Well, it's not. Nothing is moving.
Yeah, it's a heavy table, but it's like I almost feel it. Like it.
Right now it's dangerous to go fuck like that.
Yeah, because something could go flying, right?
Well, the thing on the top is broken on the left side.
Whoa, this is intense. So it's more intense than the other night?
Yeah, I would think so.
And it came out of nowhere, huh?
Again, yeah.
Fuck, that is bananas. I just started hearing and Zoe kind of popped up because there was a noise outside and I'm like, this is not normal, and I felt bad because I hadn't put the covers back on those things. I didn't know how bad it was gonna get. But I didn't put the cover back on the long couch there.
That was a good call.
Yeah. I was watching stupid fucking shows again just to try to fall asleep. Well,
That's insane.
as long as the table stays okay, we're good.
Table's gonna be fine.
So yeah, that's, and I'm surprised.
But
Well,
even the windows, like they're fucking moving. Like
but what's good is that the top ripped off because it's less of a parachute now. You know what I mean?
holy fucking shit.
God, this is scary.
I don't even know if we should be standing next to the windows or
I was just thinking the same thing. I'm like, something goes flying in the window, or fuck.
It's more like if the window blow up, they're moving.
By themselves, really? I think something would need to go flying in it. Reasonably,
There's nothing that can fly. We just checked everything. Fucking shit.
How long did it last through the night?
The heavy wind's not anywhere close to that. Well, it lasted 2 hours. The rain and the wind, but like,
It wasn't like this, right?
well, bro, this thing got destroyed. Like, it's crazy.
Wow. Man. So far, what's good is that the other clouds have. Is that thunder?
No. The window's shaking. Like you can hear like.
Wow, and it's all protected on this side. This side is actually somewhat calm.
Yeah.
It's all over here. You think that because you have the penthouse, it's the worst?
Well, yeah, the guys in front don't feel it right now.
Well, the guys facing the ocean on
Fuck
this
the-
side for sure not feeling shit.
Is it the type of the barbecue right there?
I put the barbecue and I pushed it
But
against the wall.
there's something black there.
It looks like it might be. Yeah, the barbecue's not covered anymore.
Okay, just try to take the type so we don't lose it.
Okay, hold on.
I'm gonna keep filming this because this is
Hold
fucking
on,
crazy.
hold on. I'm gonna need to Chloe to go. Chloe, I'm coming back. Okay, that's a little scary, bro. I'm in the gate. Whoa, there's a plant there.
Yeah, that's even worse, man.
Oh, it's intense, man. I'm gonna get Zoe.
My plants are gonna be fucked up.
We got you, Zoe.
It keeps getting worse.
I thought the barbecue was gonna put because I pushed it up against the wall really hard, and the tarp was all around it, but it wasn't enough. Sorry.
It's so insane.
This is a real big fucking storm. Is it Zoe? It's okay, Zoe. Penthouses on the other ones are like lights on and off and craziness. Wow. Hands up, Zoe.
Yeah, it's getting worse now.
So first
The table is like uncovered now. It broke.
the table broke.
No, the
Oh, the table, okay. I don't know, man. I just pray that the chairs hold up.
yeah. Well,
Holy shit, that's crazy, bro. Oh, man. Yeah, the parachute effect put too much pressure on the tarp and the ties that we did. I did double knots on each. Oh, man.
so now I guess we're getting in the middle of the storm because it's less wind. Holy shit.
Go check in your wife's room.
My what?
Your wife's not here, right?
Yeah.
But what I'm saying from that window must be fucking mental. Because it's all coming from this side.